This is the P50-ECO Foam PFAS-FREE fire extinguisher. It is quad class rated to cover Class A flammable solid fires, Class B flammable liquid fires, Class F cooking oil and fat fires, and live electrical fires up to 1,000 volts. This is how to carry out an annual certification on a P50 fire extinguisher, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Firstly, check that the anti-tamper tag and pin are in place. If they are not in place or the tag is split, this may indicate usage. Then visually check both gauges are in the green. Then remove the magnet located in the base of the extinguisher and move it side to side under the pressure gauge. The needles should move with the magnet, and this is a way of checking that the pressure gauge is working correctly. Then return the magnet to the base of the extinguisher. Next, check the body of the extinguisher for any noticeable damage, scuffs, or dust buildup. Check for any blockage or splitting of the hose. Record the result of the certification on the back of the extinguisher, ensuring that the date and signature is recorded with an indelible marker. Then upload those results into the extinguisher management system if you have it, or into your own fire safety logbook. Any faults result in non-compliance, and you should immediately contact Eastern Extinguishers to resolve this situation. After 8 years, the extinguisher will need to be discharged and refilled according to the manufacturer's instructions.